Classification of nanomaterial. Classification based on their dimensionality. Nanomaterial are classified into four types: zero dimensional, one dimensional, two dimensional, and three dimensional. First, zero dimensional nanomaterial. Nanomaterial with all external dimension at the nanoscale, that is between 1 to 100 nanometer, may be classified as zero dimensional. This class of the nanomaterial include quantum dots, various types of nanomaterial such as nanosphere, determiners, etc. This is nanoparticle less than 100 nanometer. Second, one-dimensional nanomaterial. Nanomaterial with two external dimension at the nanoscale, and the third one being usually at the microscale. Now the length of this rod is large than nanometer, whereas the diameter is less than 100 nanometer. That means only one dimension is large than nanoscale. That is one dimensional nanomaterial. Classification 3 number 2-dimensional nanomaterial. Nanomaterial with only one external dimension, the nanoscale, while other two dimensions outside the nanoscale are classified as two-dimensional nanomaterial. This class of nanomaterial include thin film, nanolayer, nanocoating, nanoplate. Consider this diagram: two nanoplate or two-dimension Lx, Ly, that is, its length are large than nanometer, that is large than 100 nanometer, whereas the thickness of this plate smaller the 100 nanometer. So as two dimension are nanoscale, they are two the dimensional. Classification 4 types. 3-dimensional nanomaterial. Nanomaterial that are not conformed to the nanoscale in only dimension but display internal nanoscale feature are classified as 3-dimensional nanomaterial. This class of nanomaterial include nanocomposite, dispersion of nanoparticle, bundle of nanowire, nanostructure material. This figure 3-dimensional. Consider a 3-dimensional space for a better one understanding, which show relationship a amount 0-dimensional, 1-dimensional, 2-dimensional, and 3-dimensional nanomaterial. Now each see the red shaded each part 0D. That means no of dimension is large than 100 nanometer. That Y is as 0-dimension particle, 0-dimension nanomaterial. This part shaded in yellow. 1D is known as 1D because is only one dimension outside nanoscale. The length this rod outside then nanoscale, that is Y, it is 1D, whereas this part shaded black in 2D because length, breadth, and large nanometer. Each thickness in between nano range, that why 2 3D are large than 100 nanometer, but 0 degree, 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree structure. This